It's a bond of header. Coasters a Kotoko in Sunday at Accra Sports Stadium. And then we have match ahead of us. The World Cup qualifier Black Stars. And at current stage of the stadium, Ejuma Samba Humbium. Then National Sports Authority, Muya Diafawan, Asana Ghana, you will see a next World Cup qualifiers.
What say Ejuma Benja?
Like you be say because it's in shape, assistant. It's only
Oka pitch no.
Pitch na kasa.
Oh, some pitch there. Games. Yabo games bebree also. And you say about so many games in a short space of time. And I think so. Champions League, Yaboha, Confederations Cup, Yaboha, 4 teams, a training, Para United, JS Kabili, Viviani Gold Stars, and Asante Kotoko. It's a lot in a space of less than a week. See, by all means, pressure, baby. See, no, for now, no, say you recover, na pitch no day. You feed it, you water, you fertilize, you dey grow ne bibi account. Na enye dey home. Saturday na ebia another 10 days, another 1 week. It me about balls.
Can you say Ejuma about who for now? I was say oh yes. Can you say bet me meet your time looking at the time as a closer to your next Blasters home game. Met me meet me car FIFA standard dana.
I don't know make us say it me in your time. Emma pitch no home grass no home and no any problem. It's the local matches say for example if you are into me more send your bear you beat me ACC pitch no I am ready for Ghana and Comoros.
So the GP of the rest of the game is short Yamboa Accra Sports Stadium now.
Based on recommendations now, Omode Amameno, Omo Bisakwa and say, yeah, should be before for Embo league matches no. That's how the pitch no I then a home it's no officially no. Yeah, dream Ashe says Sunday be no there and the rights you be taking the right step now you notify the right authorities that you take it from there.
You say unim there Abu Apama Babayara Sports Stadium no. Look good. I can't just see work. Can you assure us hopefully by next 2 months or before December, Babayara Sports Stadium to me I standard ABR but our private about the rest of Konima, the Confederation Cup na go start with phase 1.
Oh, the only thing I made to me assure is Ejumano, Eguso, it's in Yameboa. The right, the necessary changes. Not, yeah, ready.
Kotoko fans no Zanka higher Babayara, and fans no Ebeba Bibri Yate. Put up on more day as a mood me after the shit. It's me,
Ejuma, dear, open so in here. It's all two, now I in the year. It's a no, if I say a 3 book, it's a year, I check. Not it's me about so.
Rosa and so Kotoko, all regions, share in Stadia Hoodwalk. A bill to see how Moko and a bill in good shape because now that's now Moko and Tessa is about me. I be a bit say a sipon. They are dear like Mutu and Moko regions, no Stadia now. Munye Bia mot me as started here to do.
You go so a Juma, into no, and Reno. Edua ebe hu sene ejuma no akosi federasi.
So that's it.